Today what we're gonna do is RX7 stuff. I got a few parts that came in and I got some time today to put them on, so that's what we're gonna do. If you haven't already seen the wheels, you should go check out that video. But here's what they look like. Work Emotions is that they fit with stock Scion TC lug nuts, and what's cool about that is that these have like a little center on them, so when they go inside the center hole, and then they end up fitting pretty straight and perfect, so that's cool. And what's great is that all these lug nuts is a full set of 20, right? I took it off Scion TC and I ended up buying TC some AutoZone lug nuts. I know AutoZone, but bear with me, those lug nuts are actually pretty cool. I'll show you what they look like. Give me a second here. So they're actually these lug nuts right here, and these ones actually have these on my RX8 too. They fit in tight spaces. They're a little small. They're splined with the key on them. And these lug nuts from AutoZone, they're actually pretty good. They're pretty strong. They last long. I've had them on my RX8 for like 3 years, even though I don't drive the car. But I put those on the TC. I'm gonna use the stock lug nuts on the Work Emotions on the FD, because when I bought the FD, it didn't even have a full set. Well, this wheel has a full set of lug nuts, but there is there is one wheel where I don't have a full set of lug nuts on it, and they're like mismatched. So I got lucky there with comparison. Right here, this one is missing one. But I got lucky with comparison because the thread pitch on the lugs on the RX7 and the TC are the same. So without further ado, let's get into putting these things on. Check out the fitment. This is a 9.5 plus 15, and I probably have to roll the fenders, but fitment's alright. Dang, these look big. But the fitment actually looks pretty good. Not bad. Front's got some poke. Because we're doing drift setup. No, I'm just kidding. final connection front bumper with the carbon fiber canard option. I actually got it from Circuit 3, and Tom from Circuit 3 is actually the guy who helped me out. I think he's the owner of the company. He did give me a really good deal on this. Can't wait to put it on. The great thing about buying used parts too is that they come pre-fitted already, so it's already got drilled holes. The bad part is that it's got cracks, you know, some small things here. But the good thing is, you know, it's all fixable. We can just Bondo, fiberglass, sand it down. Should be good to go. Can't wait to put that on.